Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rochelle, and welcome to another piece of K. Today's video is going to be how to achieve this look using Honey's homemade products. So if you would like to know how to do this style and know what I use and how they worked, continue watching. So guys, I just got out the shower. That's why I look like this. So basically what I did was I washed my hair with Aussie Moist shampoo, and then I conditioned and detangled my hair, and I put it in 4 sections. So that's what we're working with. But I have an unboxing from Honey's Handmade. Yeah, all the products I'm going to be using from now on is going to be Honey's Handmade. And this is not a sponsored video, but in the future, if you would like to, you know. I'm actually going to pick from 3 different deep conditioners. You guys can comment below after I read them which one you think I should have, picked. But so the first one is Blueberry Yogurt Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I hope you guys can see that. Oh my god. I don't think you can because of the glare. It has all natural ingredients: water, aloe butter, shea butter, yogurt, blueberry, raw honey, avocado, cocoa butter, rice bran oil. And that's all the ingredients in here. Next we have the bentonite and sea clay mask. These ingredients have mostly the same things: water, bentonite clay, sea clay, mango butter, olive butter, yarrow flour, veggie emulsifier, jojoba oil, cocoa butter, horsetail, aloe, and colt's foot. I don't know what that is, and clearly it is very different from those ingredients, but I'm saying like the main ingredients are like the same. And then the last one is Melba's Mixed Greens Deep Conditioning Mask. And this has distilled water, spinach, broccoli, kale extract, neem, sal, mango, horsetail, and glycerin. I think I'm gonna try Melba's Mixed Greens. I do want to try the blueberry yogurt one because I feel like it's gonna smell really good. But we're gonna go with Melba. Okay guys, before I put it in, let's smell it. Like, let's get a first reaction of everything. So it smells, it almost don't smell like nothing. Let's put it in. I'm ready to put it in. So we're gonna take down the first clip. Okay, it's gliding right through my hair, guys. I don't know if it's because I detangled it beforehand. So I'm just gonna put this throughout my whole head, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then we can get to styling. All right, y'all, hold on. Cause look at these curls though. Yo, nothing can beat moisturized hair. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and rinsed the deep conditioner out and then put my hair back in 4 sections. After I rinsed it out, my hair didn't feel as soft as I wanted it to be. However, it did feel strong. Another product that I will be using from Honey's Handmade is the Not Going Bananas Detangling Conditioner. Since I'm doing a slick back bun, I just need something else for moisture, and I don't have like a twisting cream from them. So I'm gonna try and pair it with Shea Moisture's curl enhancing smoothie. It smells like bananas. It smells good. It smells like Laffy Taffy. Let's put that on my hand. Just a little bit of it. And then get the curl enhancing smoothie. This is how you can tell whether the products mix together or not. If it's smooth, then it works together. If it's not, then you're in trouble. So smooth it in. Yeah, they work together. Yeah. Okay guys, so I have my hair moisturized in these twists, and now it's time to slick down my hair. So what I'll be using is the green Eco Styler Gel, Gorilla Snot, Even Edge Control, and that's all. Okay guys, what you see me doing now is unraveling my twist. I'm going to be doing this on both sides, and then I'm going to continue to detangle to start shaping my hair into a ponytail. So at first I'm going to put this into a loose ponytail, then I can proceed to just put gel all around the perimeter of my head. So now I'm preparing to put my hair in a really tight ponytail. I'm just smoothing it, making sure no pieces of hair are left out. I'm brushing it to gather it all together to smooth it. And then I'm going to put it in a really tight ponytail. Now moving on to the front sections of my hair, I'm just raking Eco Styler Gel through my hair to get it to smooth down and be flat as possible. After that, I'm just going to section it into two. I have to do my hair in layers because I have really thick hair and I need to be extra flat. So now what you see me doing is just brushing it, smoothing it to get it all into the back of the ponytail. I'm going to add some Gorilla Snot, which adds for extra hold. I know Eco Styler may be enough for some people, but I wanted my hair to be kind of hard and last for a few days, so that's why I added Gorilla Snot. So I'm just going to keep repeating these steps, adding Eco Styler Gel, adding Gorilla Snot, and brushing and smoothing my hair until it's flat. As you can see, I did my side part off of camera because that is just very time consuming, but I'm still doing the same process, doing the same steps, smoothing, brushing, adding gel, adding Gorilla Snot, and the only thing different you see is me combing my hair, but this is just to provide extra smoothness so it can be really flat. Now the front of my hair is going to be a little bit different. I am doing the same steps, but it just takes me way longer because I am doing a swoop and I just need it to be extra flat and I need it to be extra crisp as well. So that's why you just see me rotating between a comb, a brush. Pretty soon you're going to see me use an edge brush. So I just keep doing this over and over again until it gets to my exact liking. Now, after I've completed all of the smoothing and combing and brushing, I can finally do my last ponytail that makes the bun. I know I use so many ponytail holders in this, but it's what's needed for my hair. So now all you see me doing is my sideburns, and then we've completed this look, guys. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Nice and sleek. Excuse the awkward turn, but no. But yeah, here it is. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever I post a video. Like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for another piece of K. Thank you guys so much. Stay blessed, and Mikaylah Rochelle is out.